Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Photo Gallery widget to your WooCommerce website. A photo gallery widget is a great way to showcase images in a clean and visually appealing layout, making your website more engaging for visitors. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WooCommerce website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Photo Gallery in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Photos tab, click Upload to add images. For each image, you can add a title, description, and category. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose different templates, and the available settings will change depending on the template you select. The Photo Info option controls the information shown when users hover over the image. It can also be displayed below the image. Then go to the Settings tab. In the Watermark section, you can add a watermark. If you choose text, you can enter custom text, and if you choose image, you can upload your own image. In the Click on Action section, you can choose what happens when someone clicks an image, such as opening a pop-up, opening a link, or doing nothing. Next, go to the Styles tab. In the Colors section, you can change the background color, heading color, description color, overlay color, accent color, and filter background. In Dimensions and Effects, you can change the corner radius, drop shadow, hover effect, and font family. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your WooCommerce site. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.